My dear student, hope you are well. I am fine also. We know that we have been deprived the classes for a long time due to coronavirus. For the government instruction, we are going to take the online classes. In the previous class, I said 5 steps the change of narration. Today I will show how to change the narration by 5 steps with the help of an example. This is example. Kamal said to Nazim, "Where do you go yesterday?" There are two parts of narration. This part inside the inverted comma is reporting verb, and out the reporting inverted comma is reporting verb, or inside the inverted comma reported space. At first, you see the reported space, identify the sentence. There is an interrogative sentence, reported space, interrogative sentence. First step, change the said. If you reported space is interrogative sentence, the said change asked. Kamal asked Najim. Change of narration, second step, the change of inverted comma. Since it is a interrogative sentence and start with WS question, so at first WS question, where? Step third, change of person. A reported speech has second person. Second person change reporting verb object. Reporting verb object Nazim. So he. Fourth step, the change of tense. The reported space sentence is indefinite tense. Past indefinite tense turned into past perfect. So he had gone. Step 5, the change of some word. Yesterday changed the previous day. So this is why the 5 step with the change of direct narration to indirect narration. Now other example. Change the direct narration to indirect narration. This sentence, the boy said to me, I wrote a letter. This is reporting verb. This is reported speech. This reported species sentence, I wrote a letter. It is a assertive sentence. Now first step, the change of said. If the sentence is assertive, said change said or told. The boy told me. Step second, the change of inverted comma. We know that there are three kinds of sentence change into inverted comma with that: assertive, operative and exclamatory. Because it is a assertive sentence, so inverted comma change that. Step third, change the person. The repeated space person is first person. We know that the first person change the repeating verb subject. Repeating verb subject is the boy, so he. Step 3, the change of tense. What kinds of tense? The repeated space. The repeated space tense is past indefinite. Past indefinite turned into past perfect. So he had written a letter. This is why the change of direct narration to indirect narration. Next, the change of the narration part 3, the rules of passage narration. Thank you very much. Dear student, so many problems. Call me this number. I inform many problem and solve this problem. Thank you very much.